everyone, I'm Maya, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations. If you've been shopping for a steam shower generator, chances are you've come across Mr. Steam. They're one of the most trusted names in the industry, and for good reason. Their generators are built to last and deliver a true spa-quality steam experience. But here's where things get tricky. Mr. Steam doesn't just have one residential line. They actually offer three: the MS-R series, the Super-R series, and the Max-R series. And today we're going to compare all three so you know exactly which one is right for your steam shower. But what's the real difference between them? And which one's the best fit for your home or spa setup? Stick around, because in this video we're breaking down everything, from power output and room size coverage to performance, pricing, and upgrade options, so you can choose the perfect model with confidence. Let's break down each model one by one. The MS-R series is the updated version of the older MSE line. Think of it as the entry point into Mr. Steam's residential lineup. It's designed for steam rooms up to 257 cubic feet, with power ratings ranging from 5 kilowatts to 9 kilowatts depending on the model you choose. It's compact, efficient, and still built with 100% stainless steel tanks and components, so you're getting that same long-lasting reliability. Plus, it's fully compatible with all of Mr. Steam's wellness integrations, like aromatherapy, chromotherapy, music therapy, and their Steam Links app, so you can control everything remotely from your phone. This series is ideal for most standard-sized residential bathrooms. If you're building a personal steam shower, the MS-R line is probably where you'll land. The Super-R series, sometimes called MSSUPER-R, is a step up from the MS-R line. These models are designed for steam rooms between 250 to 485 cubic feet, and their power ratings go from 10 kilowatts to 15 kilowatts. What's the difference here? Simply put, more power, more coverage. The Super-R is perfect if you're building a larger home steam shower, maybe one with high ceilings, stone walls, or multiple seating areas. Like the MS-R, you still get the same stainless steel build, easy servicing, and compatibility with all the wellness features. The Super-R just gives you that extra capacity for when the MS-R isn't quite enough. The Max-R series, also known as the MX-R or MS Max-R, is the big dog of the lineup. This one is designed for oversized residential steam rooms, up to 965 cubic feet, and comes in power ratings from 20 kilowatts all the way up to 30 kilowatts. These models use Mr. Steam's Max Booster technology, which means they can fill large spaces with thick, enveloping steam quickly and sustain it for long sessions. The Max-R is also robust enough to be used in small commercial spaces, like boutique spas or multi-user setups. If you're someone who wants the absolute best performance with no compromises, or if you're outfitting a large custom steam room, this is the series for you. Let's discuss the pros and cons of each model, starting with the MS-R series pros. It's energy efficient, compact, and perfect for most homes. You still get access to all the wellness features and app controls. The only downside is that it's not suited for bigger rooms, anything beyond 675 cubic feet, and you'll be pushing its limits. Now for the Super-R Pros, it gives you more power and room coverage while keeping efficiency high. It's great for larger home setups and is the sweet spot if your space falls between medium and oversized. The con? It does cost more, and it requires stronger electrical capacity than the MS-R. And then the Max-R Pros. This one delivers the most powerful performance, faster heating, and the ability to handle oversized or even light commercial spaces. The drawback? It's the most expensive of the three, and usually requires heavier wiring and installation planning. Now let's talk numbers, because pricing is where most people start comparing. The MS-R series generally starts around $2,100 and goes up to about $3,300, depending on your chosen control kit and finish. The MSSUPER-R series typically runs between $3,400 and $4,500, giving you a solid power upgrade for larger bathrooms. And the MX-R series, being the most advanced, usually falls in the $5,000 to $6,500 range. So the jump in price basically mirrors the increase in room coverage and power output. Let's summarize what we've covered so far. If you're a first-time steam shower buyer or building a compact bathroom, In the 250 to 675 cubic foot range, the MSR is perfect. For families or regular steam users who need quicker heating in a larger space, like a master steam bath, go for the MS Super. And if you're going all in on luxury, like building a spa-level retreat, or have multiple shower zones, or even perhaps a commercial-grade setup in your home, the MXR will handle it effortlessly. At the end of the day, no matter which series you pick, you're getting Mr. Steam's legendary build quality, luxury features, and reliability. The real question is just how big your space is, and how much power you need to keep it filled with steam. So, measure your room, check your ceiling height, and choose the generator that matches your needs. You'll find links to all 3 series below in the description, along with our full Mr. Steam collection on Opulent Recreations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews on other top steam shower and sauna brands. And if you'd like more real-world insights, installation tips, or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint, where homeowners, designers, and spa lovers come together to share ideas. I'm Maya, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.